ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, നമ്മളിന്നിവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് PSC പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. ഇത് LSGD 130/2015 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, സ്റ്റെയിൻലെസ് സ്റ്റീൽ ഈസ് ആൻ അലോയ് ഓഫ് വിച്ച് എമംഗ് ദ ഫോളോയിങ്? ആൻസർ: ക്രോമിയം, നിക്കൽ ആൻഡ് അയൺ. What is determined by conducting an abrasion test? Answer: hardness. On which of the following the support for flat slab is provided? Answer: column built monolithically with slab. What is the width of broad gauge? Answer: 1.676. Among which of the following conditions a T-beam becomes identical to a rectangular beam with the width equal to that of flange? Answer: option B, neutral axis remains within flange. Which among the following is a step used for changing the direction of a stair? Answer: option D, winder. By which of the following test fineness of cement can be determined? Answer: option A, permeability test. Among the following, in which type of canal flow occurs only when there is a rise of water in the river? Answer: option A, inundation canal. What is defined as the ratio of volume of air voids to total volume of soil mass and is expressed as a percentage? Answer: option C, percentage air voids. What is the side slope of Sipoleti weir? Answer: option D, 1 horizontal to 4 vertical. How the temporary hardness of water is removed? Answer: option A, by boiling. In which of the following types of concrete beam section failure will occur all on a sudden? Answer: option D, over reinforced section. In which condition a doubly reinforced beam is used? Answer: option B, when depth and breadth of beam have to be restricted in size. In a water supply scheme, for what purpose aeration is carried out? Answer: option A, to remove taste and odor. What is the disadvantage of centrifugal pump compared with reciprocating pump? Answer: option A, priming required. What is known as the force per unit area required to penetrate into a soil mass with a circular plunger of 50 mm diameter at a rate of 1.25 mm per minute? Answer: option C, CBR. What is flow area ratio? Answer: option D, ratio of total floor area on all floors to plot area. What is azimuth? Answer: option D, none of these. What will be the hydraulic mean depth for most economical rectangular section of an open channel of width B and depth D? Answer: option A, D by 2. At any point on the magnetic equator, what will be the angle of dip? Answer: option B, 0 degree. What is the area of building excluding the area occupied by walls? Answer option D, floor area. In the case of open channel flow, if the flow is laminar, which of the following is correct? Answer option A, Reynolds number less than 500. Name the ratio of power available at the shaft of the turbine to the power delivered by the water to the runner. Answer option C, mechanical efficiency. What is meant by cambium layer of an exogenous tree? Answer option A, layer between inner bark and sapwood. What is the difference between two measured values of same quantity in surveying? Answer option B, discrepancy.